A quick demo. Double click the middle file Whiz 2.2 to open the application. When the application is opened, you have the home stroke instruction page where you have details about the question bank, the timed test, and the quiz competition. You can read up this to learn how to navigate your way through this application. When you are ready, you go to the question bank. You click the question bank tab and boom, you have the question bank where you can input the questions accordingly. Type in the question, type in the option. You have opportunity for 4 options A to D, and on the last column type the answer to the question. In this case, the correct answer is option B, so that's what you type in there. You do the same for the second question. Put the correct answer in the last column, that is the letter of the correct answer. So you can do that for all of the questions, and you can have up to 100 questions per category. So this is category 1, which is category for numeracy. Note, everything here is editable. You can change the name of your category, like I'm doing now. I'm changing it to mathematics. So when you click enter, it syncs automatically. And don't forget to click on the buttons in front of the question so that you can include the questions on your quiz tab. And you can click select all if you want everything to go there. Now I've clicked the second category. You can name it anything. You do the same thing. The third category, change the name in the box where you have type your subject/category. So for each category you can have 100 questions, and we have 10 of the categories here. So in all we can have 1000 questions here. Let's click the quiz tab. So this is the quiz tab where the questions pops up, and this is where you have the scores and everything you need to do. Now let's click the quiz test. For the quiz test, you have option to input up to 10 participants for your quiz. Choose the category for your quiz. Set your timer accordingly, and you choose the number of questions you want the participants to answer. In this case, I have 10. Then you click update. Then you have, would you like to clear all the existing score? That is the previous scores there. You click yes, you want it to go off. Now you have a clean slate for the participants to start their quiz competition. So each person picks a question. You select the question. In this case, question 2. Then boom, question 2 pops up. The participant answers the question, clicks A. Is option A your final answer? You click OK.
Correct.
Then if you are correct, you hear correct. Then you add the mark. Don't forget that we set it to 5 marks. The second participant picks another question, any question of his choice, and you also have a question for that, which he also answers accordingly. The names of the participants will be changing automatically, and the score
Correct.
for each child will be placed in front of his name. In this case, May has 5, Day also has 5. So the third participant picks a question, question 1. And boom, you have the question. And let's say you want to use the timer. all you just need to do is click start and the timer counts down. At the end of the time, the question goes off.
Time up.
And that child misses his turn if he doesn't answer within that time frame. So you can use timer, you can use it without the timer. So it goes on and on like that.
Correct.
Alright. Another thing you can do is you click the timed test. In this case, the questions will be automatically set for a participant and the timer will be set. Each question will be popping up according to the time frame. For instance, let's set the time to 10 seconds. I want to have 5 questions. The timer to 10 seconds, 5 questions, 10 marks per question. When you click update, are you ready to have 5 questions for 10 seconds? Then click OK. Then clear the existing score. Now we have a clean slate for Daniel to start his timed test. All you need to do now is click start and the question starts popping in. The timer starts counting down.
Correct.
Question 2.
Correct.
And it goes on and on until the last question.
Correct.
The marks are adding up accordingly. If he misses any question, that will be 0 for that question until the last question. And after the last question, the summary tab pops up.
You got 5 out of your 5 questions. You are 100% correct. Well done.
Stand up for the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up.
That you want to do. Get yours today, use it to your own good, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you very much.